back to my channel and welcome to another vlogmas. So today it is the 12th of December and because outside it's like super cold and it's raining, I'm staying inside and I was thinking that I want to drink something hot. And what is better than a hot chocolate? You know, I always relate Christmas to gingerbread and a hot chocolate. So today I will show you two of my favorite hot chocolate recipes. They're super easy to use and probably you already have the ingredient in your kitchen. So just go in there and prepare some hot chocolate with me. So for recipe number 1, you will be needing some unsweetened milk. I always like to use just a pinch of condensed milk, just give like a special taste to it. Then you will be needing some cocoa powder and you can use whichever you want. Then of course you can mix cinnamon, whipped cream. If you like, you can also use some chocolate shavings and of course marshmallows. Now, taking a cup like this one, I will measure the milk that I want to use. So I'll add that into my cup. Just like that. And then on top of that, I'll go with the condensed milk. Now I will add my milk into this pot and 3 spoons of cocoa powder. And I'll let that maybe to a medium-low heat until the milk is scalding, but not boiling. You don't want to boil your milk. And I am making sure to stir the pot often to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom and burning, because that will destroy the taste. Okay, so my milk seems to be quite ready. Fill in the mug. So now on top of that I'll add some whipped cream, some marshmallows like that, some cinnamon, and of course a bit of chocolate, and it looks so yummy. I can't wait to drink that. Of course some candy cane, and there you have it. Just look how yummy it looks. It's so delicious, but it's very hot at the moment. Now for the last recipe, you will be needing again cocoa powder, whipped cream, unsweetened milk, some condensed milk if you want, Nutella, marshmallows, and of course chocolate shavings. Now again, using a large pot, you will add some milk, and I'll use this cup to measure how much milk I need. Again, I'll use some condensed milk and 3 spoons of cocoa powder. And as in the previous recipe, I just want to heat my milk but not boil it, and I'm just stirring occasionally. When my milk is hot enough, I'll add 2 spoons of Nutella. And you want to make sure that it is completely dissolved. Now on this plate I'll add some honey. You don't need too much, just like that. Then I'll take some crushed candy, throw it into my honey, just like that. Then again, I'll take this honey and I'll add some of that here on the rim of this cup to make it super sticky. And then I'll apply the crushed candy, my hot chocolate, some whipped cream, of course marshmallows, and on top of that some chocolate shavings and a candy cane as well. And there you have it.
Now that is, wow, it's so freaking tasty. It blows my mind, like literally. And
guys, you should definitely try these recipes. They are super easy and fast to create, and there are ingredients that you already have in your kitchen, so just treat yourself with some hot chocolate now in the season. And let's go do some advent calendar opening. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I already drank my hot chocolate. They were sitting like that, you know, in the kitchen, and I heard them saying,
drink us, drink us, drink us.
So, you know, I had to do it because I couldn't bear it anymore.
And my belly is now full.
Okay, so now let's open the advent calendars, and I'm going for Essie, and we are opening door number 12. Oh, and I get a beautiful nail polish, and it's in this color. It's very beautiful. I don't have a color like this one, so I'm very happy that I've got it. And this one is called Mrs. Always Right in the number 413. So that I will be trying on at the end of this video. So now we have Maybelline and the box number 12. So let's see what we get today. And this is a mascara. Very happy for that. So I guess this one will go to my giveaway when I'll hit 1,000 subscribers. That means go now and hit that subscribe button below. And the last advent calendar for my cats, number 12, will be down here. And again, some dry food, obviously, and these ones are filled with beef, duck and chicken. So my kitties are going to be happy again to try something new. So guys, this is for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed the 2 hot chocolate recipes that I always do on Christmas, and of course it is a must on Christmas Eve, like everyone wants to drink that. Let me know in the comments below if you tried that and if you liked it. Also, I will be trying this new nail polish from Essie Advent Calendar, and as I said, this mascara from Maybelline that I've got today will be going to the giveaway. So that means don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. And now let's try the nail polish, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it